MAXIM Hair Restoration Dallas is a popular clinic in the Dallas area, offering a wide range of services for individuals dealing with hair loss. Whether you're looking for hair transplants or other treatments for alopecia, MAXIM has become a recognized name in the industry. However, just because a clinic is well known doesn't mean it's right for everyone. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at my personal experience with the clinic and giving you all the details you need to decide if it's the right choice for you. When you first visit the MAXIM Hair Restoration website, you'll be greeted by a clean, professional layout designed to give potential clients a sense of trust and reliability. The site showcases before and after photos, client testimonials, and detailed information on the procedures available. However, while the website does a good job of explaining what they offer, I found that some sections left me with more questions than answers. The information can feel overwhelming, and it would be helpful to see more detailed explanations or video walkthroughs of the treatments. Now, let's talk about the consultation process. The first thing I noticed was how thorough the consultation was. I appreciated that they took the time to explain the different hair restoration options available to me, such as FUE, follicular unit extraction, and FUT, follicular unit transplantation. The consultant answered my questions in detail and made sure I understood the pros and cons of each procedure. However, I felt the process could have been a little more transparent about pricing and potential additional costs. The clinic itself was professional and clean, and the staff were friendly and approachable. I felt comfortable and well taken care of during my visit. However, one issue I encountered was the wait time. Even though I had scheduled an appointment, there was a bit of a delay before I was seen, which was a little frustrating. The treatment itself went smoothly. The procedure was as comfortable as it could be, and the medical staff were experienced and reassuring throughout the entire process. After the treatment, they provided me with detailed aftercare instructions, which was helpful. However, I did experience some swelling and discomfort in the days following the procedure, which is normal, but not always discussed in detail beforehand. Overall, MAXIM Hair Restoration in Dallas offers a solid service, but it's not perfect. The consultation and treatment were great, but there are areas where they could improve, especially in terms of communication about pricing and wait times. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. If you're considering hair restoration, MAXIM might be a good choice for you, but I suggest doing thorough research, reading reviews, and getting all the details about the costs involved before committing. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and experiences. Your feedback is always appreciated. Thank you for watching.